Hello everyone. Today we have a Simplex Plus test from Macra Nails. Let's run it through the golden gram targets. Here I immediately write down the VDI. So I turn on the camera. All the recording went. It means that we will start as usual with small goals according to the settings. I put the Park 1 maximum chuku, built up from the ground, removed one slice. All the other parameters, as it were, do not particularly affect their pretty deep mode on Simplex. Let's start with the cross then. We have a 585th gram cross. In general, the digging signal is about 7 to 8 centimeters. Next, let's take a chain of 1.5 grams, 585th sample with a lock is a difficult goal. The device sees, then somewhere about 5 centimeters. Next, our goal is an earring in an open form, 585th sample of exactly 1 gram. Also sees about 5 centimeters. The next goal is a pendant of 1 gram 585th sample. A good lad up to 20 centimeters. Our next target is a ring of 1.2 grams, 585th sample. Somewhere between 24 and 25 centimeters, you can pull out a perceptible signal. And the last goal is our wedding ring 5 grams 585th sample. A perceptible signal at 30 centimeters. Here, in principle, we have passed all the standard goals, but I still have 3 nines and a gram bar. Let's see how pure gold sounds. All friends, such is the test. The device sees gold. The result of the depth you have seen, VDI you have seen. All for everyone so far.